we're your school captains for 2020.
Welcome to the first ever Best West News. The leadership team of 2020 have created this broadcast as an alternative for our Friday assemblies.
This is better than sitting in the hall, isn't it, Molly?
Sure is, Alex.
Having this alternative will be much more entertaining for everyone.
I agree. All the new changes will be terrific.
Anyway, we hope you enjoy our broadcast for week 7. Now over to Mr. Wilkins with his Deputy Principal's Address and Citizenship Awards.
Thank you, Alex, and thank you, Molly. Welcome everyone to our very first edition of Online School Assembly. I'm Mr. Wilkins. I'm standing in for Mrs. Roach today, who can't be here at the moment. I'd like to thank everyone for a tremendous start to the new term. We've had lots going on, we've had lots happening at home, and now it's back to the school for everyone. We've all settled in very well. Parents, you are fantastic at lining up outside of the gates and collecting your kids at the end of the day. Students, wonderful job in organising ourselves, ready to go home. We are all doing our best and we are doing a good job. I'm here with the school leaders filming this. It is a credit to our school team that we can adapt so quickly. Our teachers have been fantastic and so have our students. It's a very encouraging time to see our school just respond so quickly and our whole community coming along. I'd like to now talk about some citizenship awards that we have, and I think I'll announce some of those. We have Bella from KM for always being a respectful and helpful friend to her peers. We have Kobe M from 6P for going out of his way to assist an injured peer with his younger siblings in the afternoon. We have Chevelle T from 4M for being an eco-warrior and picking up litter on the way to and from the Needles on our bushwalk. We have Cooper W from 4K for returning to school on his bike to check on his peer when his peer was unable to find his parent at home. And lastly, Taj from KS for always being a safe, respectful learner and a role model to other students. Thank you everyone. Have a great week. Now throw back to the studio.
Our amazing Deputy Principal, Mr. Wilkins, there with some deserving award recipients.
Speaking of awards, here are Holly and Brody to present our next segment.
Thank you, Nora and Ethan.
We are two of the EWPS prefects. We will now present the Year 3 awards.
Here we go. From 3D, Liam C, Hayley M, Amika T.
From 3F, Jack F, Nate L, Summer S.
From 3W, Sienna S, Harper H, Kai J.
Now for wonderful work.
From 3D, Zara Wood.
From 3F, Riley S.
From 3W, Riley A.
Congratulations to all the award recipients.
Back to the studio.
Thank you, Holly and Brody, and congratulations to the award recipients.
We will now cross over to Jacob with a very special interview.
Thank you, Nora and Ethan. Hi, Engadine West, I'm Jacob, and I'm in Australia's Got Talent interviewing the famous Engadine West school captains Alex and Molly. Alex, what inspired you to be a school captain?
Seeing previous captains and what they did inspired me to become a new school captain.
Molly, what's your favourite job to do as a captain?
My favourite job to do as a captain is to help my fellow peers and classmates in and around the school.
Alex, what is the most important values you demonstrate as a leader?
Respect.
Molly, what is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength is being a role model to everyone around me.
That's all for today. Thank you, Molly and Alex. Now we're going back to the studio.
Thanks, Jacob, with our fantastic captains there.
Now over to Kira and Kobe to present our next segment.
Thank you, Nora and Ethan.
We are two of your Engadine West Public School prefects.
We are here today to present to you the Year 4 awards.
Let's get started.
The Safe Respectful Learner Award recipients go to, from 4C, Fletcher A, Hallie K, Zoe S.
From 4D, Corey H, Eden F, Christian M.
From 4K, Evelyn W, Boanne C, Marley H.
From 4M, Ava D, Remy HW, Gemma C. Now for wonderful work.
From 4C, Alyssa T.
From 4D, Taylor M.
From 4K, Olivia W.
From 4M, Chevelle T.
Congratulations to all the award winners.
Now back to the studio.
Thanks, Kira and Kobe, and well done to all those award recipients.
Yes, congratulations. Now over to Rihanna with an exclusive interview.
Thank you, Molly and Alex. I am Rihanna, and I am now here with a special guest, Mr. Edwards, and we're going to be doing a teacher interview. So, Mr. Edwards, how was your day today?
Rihanna, it's an outstanding day today. It's International Donut Day, and I've enjoyed a cinnamon donut, and that's a great way to really start the day. And not only that, Mrs. Long made me some beautiful lentil stew, and I've had that. And also, I've had the pleasure of playing tennis with Stage 3 this morning. So, yeah, I'm having a great day, Rihanna. Thanks for
Well, that's
asking.
great. Okay, so on to our first question. Why did you want to become a teacher?
Well, actually, my mum's a teacher, my godfather's a teacher, my two sisters are teachers, my wife's a teacher. Everyone I know is a teacher. I wanted to become a teacher, I think, because I was born to be a teacher. I actually, in Year 10, did a test to find out what occupation I should be. I thought I was going to be a motor mechanic because I had a part-time job in a garage. But I did the test and it came out that I should be a teacher. And I have been very, very happy in being a teacher for the last 35 years.
Okay, next question. What was the first school you taught at?
Wow, my very first day at teaching was a casual day at Bonnet Bay Public School. But I'd done a little bit of teaching before that. I coached swimming and I worked in holiday centres. And I describe that as teaching, but not a fully qualified teacher. So, Bonnet Bay Public School in 1983, back when dinosaurs ran the world.
Okay, that last question. What is one of your hidden talents?
Wow, I think my superpower is eating. I've still got most of my own teeth, and if there's one thing I know how to do, Rihanna, it's eat.
Okay, that was the last question. Thank you for your time, Mr. Edwards. Now back to the studio with Alex and Molly.
Thanks, Rihanna, for that enlightening piece of journalism.
Inspiring. Over to Hallie and Brody presenting the Year 5 awards.
Thank you, Molly and Alex. We will now hand out the Year 5 awards. Let's get to it. Audrey K, Cash P, and EBM from 5H. From 5R, Reed C, Zach B, and Lucy H. From 5G, Thomas A, Kieran B, and Ella S. From 5S, Talia, Indy, and Gabe. Now for wonderful work. From 5G, Zara P. From 5R, Corbin E. From 5S, Lily H. And from 5H, Jake J. Congratulations to all the Year 5 award winners. Back to the studio.
Thanks, Hallie and Brody, and well done to those award recipients.
And now we cross over to the Daily Bailey weather wall.
Thanks, Molly and Alex. I'm Daily Bailey, and I'm here reporting on Mount Everest, and it's super chilly. I'm turning blue. But don't worry, it's going to warm up over the next coming days. Bye for now. I'm handing it back over to the studio.
A very cool and collected Bailey there. I'm glad we've got these blazers on to keep us warm.
Now over to Kira and Kobe to present our next segment.
Thank you, Nora and Ethan.
We are now going to present the Year 6 awards.
Let's get started.
From 6H, Jensen P, Zane L, Owen V.
From 6P, Lucas R, Charlie E, Luna S.
From 6R, Riley S, Elise D, Bryson I.
From 6T, JV, Jade S, Oliver S. Now for the wonderful work.
From 6H, Charlize G.
From 6P, Ethan S.
From 6R, Matilda M.
From 6D, Lara S. Now back to the studio.
Thanks, Kira and Kobe, and well done to all those award recipients.
And now over to Kyan, who has Mrs. Wepler standing by with the token drawer to acknowledge some very deserving, safe, respectful learners in our school.
Thanks, Nora and Ethan. We're here today with Miss Wepler to do the Lucky Ice Block Drill. Well, congratulations firstly on everyone who has a token in the draw. So let's see who our lucky ice block winners are this week. Our safe token goes to somebody in 3 to 6. It's a year 4 student. 4K. It's a boy. Max V. Congratulations, Max. Our respectful token goes to... It's another 3 to 6 student. It is another year 4 student. It's a boy. They're in 4C. And it goes to Dylan. Well done, Dylan. And our last one, our learner token. It's another 3 to 6 student. It's a girl. This girl is in year 3. Her name starts with a Z. I bet there's not many of those. She's in 3D and it is Zara. So congratulations, Zara, Dylan and Max. You guys can come and collect your ice blocks from me and go and claim those at the canteen. Remember, boys and girls, be safe, respectful learners in the playground so the teachers will give tokens out for you. Congratulations. Back to the studio.
Thank you to Mrs. Wepler for the lucky draw and congratulations to our ice block winners. My name is Noor.
And I'm Ethan. Noor and I are your school vice captains for 2020. Hasn't this been fantastic, Noor?
It sure has, Ethan. Certainly better than our normal assembly. Do you think all of the students enjoyed it?
I'm not sure. Did all the students have a good time?
As much fun as this has been, I believe it's time to wrap it up.
It sure is, Noor. Thank you so much for joining us today at Best West News.
It's news from the West, but only the best. See you next time.
Molly.
To all the award recipients. Back to the studio. Recipients. Yeah. what she said.
Back to the studio. Nations, back to the studio. Nations, back to the studio.
Year 5 awards.